Hi guys, Paul from Devongunsmith, and what we have here is an Henri Laplage, would have been of Paris. This is of course a reproduction, and having worked on an original, this is incredibly faithful to the original. This is a pre-loved piece, so it has a few little marks, which I can clean up, I guess. N45, percussion of course, and set trigger with the saw handle grip that allows you to gain a perfect sight picture like that. When target shooting, absolutely beautiful piece, stunning.
If you enjoy the content, don't forget, like, subscribe and click the notification bell.